Hindi pa po natatapos yun kasi entrance lang po yun. Alright. And then, dito po kayo sa gitna, ma'am. Sa gitna po kayo. At this time, panoorin po natin as they do their TikTok dance. DJ, play the music! TikTok! Grabe talaga si Sir talagang kay Ma'am agad pagka-play ng music. Thank you so much, Step number 1. Let's not basketball with pair number 2! Grabe yung energy na to eh. Tapatan niya to. Mukhang magaling to. And now, DJ, let's play the music. Uy, ocho, ang galing. Come on. Grabe, panlaban to. Mukhang pananalo to ng big prizes ngayong araw. Now this song, let us get into the pair number 3! Uy! Sabi na kahit ano daw sa'yo, DJ boy! The music! Ay, ayan na! Muna! Sumama na! Uy! Uy, nakakatakot siya! Sikat yung conjuring ngayon ba ba? Thank you so much to pair number 3! Grabe! Napipressure yung may makahuli dyan? Okay. Now, let us have a pair number 4! Uy! Grabe ko, akala ko tahimik lang siya. Alright. And now, let's have it dance. Hit it up, DJ! Oh, ito. Uy, nagpulabot! Ay, come on! Tagapalakpak lang pala siya. Maraming salamat po, Mayor Number 1. Uy! Grabe, may mga fans dito si Mayor Number 5. Okay, palakas na po lang ni Cheer! Let's have a pair number 5! Alam ko, tatambling na siya eh. At this time, DJ, let's hit it off, DJ. Uy, grabe! Uy, may position! Ganyan! Uy! Wow! Nakakatakot! Grabe naman! Talagang si Pride po yung pinantiril niyang sayapan na. Maraming salamat po. Dalawa na lang. Mukha talagang tumataas yung balahibo nila. Pati yung presyon nila kung araw na. So let's go here. The pair number 6! Ang grabe yung energy ng Ivy, oh. Wow! Hoy! Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kagaling sumayaw for today. Now, DJ. Hoy, grabe ang sex bomb dancers for today. Come on! Woo!